Hello everyone! Want to upscale your photos to 4x quality in seconds? For free? No subscriptions, no watermarks, no nonsense. In this video, I'll show you the easiest AI tool that can do it right on your computer. Let's get into it. First, open up your web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whatever you use. In the address bar, type in upscail.org and hit enter. You'll land on the Upscale homepage. On top right, you see the download button and click it. A list of download options available. Just select Windows. The download will start automatically. Once the download finishes, head over to your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Double-click it to run the setup, then follow the on-screen prompts. The installer is pretty quick. Sit back for a few seconds and let it finish. Now run Upscale from your desktop launcher or search bar and give it a few moments to open up. The first time you open it, you'll see a welcome screen. Go ahead and pick your language. Next, choose a theme, light or dark, whatever's easier on your eyes. Now for the fun part. Click the Browse button and select the image you want to upscale. Next, select the Upscale AI model you want to use. The different presets are tuned for photos, cartoons, or general images, so pick the one that fits your picture. Then set the upscale factor. I'm going with 4x to quadruple the resolution. You can dial it in however you like. Almost there. Choose your output folder, where you want the upscaled image to be saved. Everything's set. Just hit the Upscale button and watch the magic happen. Depending on your image and hardware, it'll take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute. And look at that, a crisp, high-resolution version of your photo, completely free. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.